Good morning, 4K friends. We're going to start off with our months of the year for circle time today. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. If we've had January, February, and March, what month are we in now? It's April. We need to figure out what day of the week it is. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. So if we've had Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, today must be Wednesday. We need to figure out what color we need for today. So let's start our pattern. Blue, blue, red. Blue, blue, red. Blue, blue, red. Today we need blue. Let's figure out what number we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 is a 2 and a 2. So today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. It's actually a really special day. It's called Earth Day. And because we're talking about Earth Day today, I have 2 books that we're going to read. But first, before we get to our books, we need to do our letters for today. The letters are K and L. Your K is big line down, little line, and your L is big line down. So those are your 2 lowercase letters for today. For our story time, we will be reading our book called Gravity, and it's written by Jason Chin. And today we're going to be talking about Earth Day, but we're also going to be talking about outer space. Gravity. Makes objects. Gravity makes objects. What do you think gravity makes objects do? Fall to the earth. So gravity makes objects fall to the earth. Without gravity, everything would float away. Now take a look. In our book right now, we're in outer space. Because we're not on planet Earth right now. We're outside of it. There's the astronaut and his rocket ship, but there's a pail and a banana and a cup and a lemon. Why do you think those are floating up there? Do you think it's because there isn't any gravity? The moon would drift away from the earth. Our moon is up here. The earth would drift away from the sun. here's Earth. And here's our sun. And it looks like the Earth is drifting. It's moving. It's further apart. It's not as close. Luckily, everything has gravity. Massive things have a lot of gravity. What do you think this yellow part is? Is it the sun? It is. So the sun is so big, it has so much gravity. And their gravity pulls on smaller things, which is the Earth. Gravity keeps the Earth near the sun, the moon near the Earth, and makes objects fall to Earth. Now we see our tree. What is falling right now to the ground? Do you see what's falling? The leaves are falling. Now, why are those leaves falling? It's because of gravity. And that is our story about space today. Like I said, today is a very special day. It's called Earth Day. And Earth Day, we want to remember that we need to take care of our planet and make sure that we are reducing, reusing, and recycling. We're going to talk about a little bit more of that next week, but today I have for you The Earth Book by Todd Parr. I take care of the earth because I know I can do little things every day to make a big difference. I use both sides of the paper and bring my own bags to the market because I love the trees and I want the owls to have a place to live. I turn off the faucet while I brush my teeth and use less water for my baths because I love the fish and I want the oceans to stay blue. Now, do you see how many fish there are? Let's see if we can count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 fish, but there's also 1 whale. I take the school bus and ride my bike because I love the stars and I want the air to be clear so I can see them sparkle. I try to eat every bite on my plate and save my leftovers because I love watching things grow and I want there to be enough food for everyone. I remember to turn off the lights and shut the refrigerator to save energy because I love the polar bears and I want the snowmen to stay cool. I throw garbage in the trash can and recycle glass, aluminum, paper, and plastic because I love to walk barefoot in the grass and I don't want to move to Mars. Most of all, I help take care of the earth because I want us all to be happy and healthy. So there is an activity on our website about what you could do to recycle your markers at home and what you can do to take care of some things. Recycle means to reuse something in a different way. So if you have a plastic bottle, let's say maybe a milk can or a milk jug, you would recycle that, and they use it to make something else. They use the plastic to make something else. So when we talk about Earth Day, we want to make sure that we are taking care of our Earth, maybe by picking up some garbage outside, maybe by enjoying the nice fresh air, so maybe playing outside, maybe by planting some flowers with your mom or dad. There's lots of things that we can do to save our environment and save our Earth. So I'm going to be posting some of those things that you can do on our website. I hope that you have a great Wednesday. I will see you soon. Bye.